Hey fam, Chi.Chi.Luxe here. So I do have a Telfar unboxing for you guys, cause yeah, that's what I need to do. I ain't gonna show my information. When I saw this color, I was just like, yeah, your girl got to hop on it because it's my favorite color. So as usual, Telfar comes in the plastic Ziploc bag, and it also has a dust bag. This is pretty standard when it comes to Telfar bags, and let me just say, these bags are really great quality. It's nice and thick for this bag. Now, if you know my favorite color, you already know which one this is. Yes, mama, yes. I got the Painter Tape Blue Medium Shopper Tote. Let me get out the frame. Give it a little screen time. This is such a beautiful color. Hopefully my lights aren't like drowning it out. Actually, let me try to turn off my ring light so you can kind of see it a little better. But here is the bag. Look at that blue though. Oh, it's so beautiful. The color of this bag is so me. Kind of goes with my Super Mario Brothers t-shirt, but I really wanted this color. I am a huge fan of blue, and this is kind of the closest thing to a cobalt blue that I was going to get. Now, I am a little bit salty though, I ain't going front, because when they had the bag security program, I ended up buying the navy one. Still haven't gotten it, but this is the shade that I truly want. I was almost kind of settling for the navy because I knew I love blue, but now I'm like, I got a blue bag, so I kind of don't need the navy. I'm gonna see how it looks in person, then decide which one I do want. But this color is so nice. They actually did launch, I want to say, 3 other colors. They had this gorgeous deep dark eggplant. They had this vibrant like green, like neon green, which I definitely almost bought. And then they had this really deep hot pink. That hot pink I would probably buy, only because it's really deep, really blue base, but this one is me all the way, and I'm just like, what? They are releasing something for Juneteenth, and it's a shade of green that is perfection for me. So hopefully I can get my hands on it, and then I think I would be kind of done with Telfar, because this bag is just surprising me. It is surprising me. I didn't think I would wear it as much, but no lie, I've been wearing my black one every day for at least 6 weeks, almost 2 months, and y'all know that's a long time for me. But if you're not familiar with the bag, it does come with its own little like hang tag. You do cut it off, but that's how you kind of know it's authentic. Then inside of here, you just have a nice pit, and you have a silver hardware zippered pocket right here with their tag right here. The tag does flop up and down, but it is what it is. And I love the fact that this zippered pocket is really deep. So yeah, this is my new baby. This is just a really quick unboxing. I can't wait to get the bags that I ordered during the Secure the Bag program, because I really do want to compare the blue. I feel like this is going to be the winner, even though I do love all shades of blue except for like sky blue. That one's a little questionable for me, or baby blue. But this one right now is checking all of my boxes, and I love the fact that this is Painter's Tape Blue, because it literally looks like the Painter's Tape Blue. If this was a hint deeper, it would be that nice rich cobalt. I think that's what's gonna happen. If a rich cobalt comes out, I would probably sell this to get the cobalt. But I can't wait until my bags from the Secure the Bag program do come in so I can kind of compare the two blues together. But until then, this is gonna be the one I rock with. Check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one.